Good morning, everyone. So today I have the results for the giveaway I did, I believe, last week sometime for these diamond press items here. Before we get to that, I will have some links in the description box for some items that will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission if you purchase items to those links, because I'm also going to use this video as a check-in for craft day. So what I want to do is quickly show you what the prizes were. It was the tea set, which is super adorable. I think it's called, Tea Time Stamps and Dies, and the Floral Ward Stamps and Dies, and that was prize number 1. And prize number 2 was the Tropical set with the Let's Party word dies, and that was number 2. And I asked people if you entered, to go ahead and say which one you preferred. So what I'm going to do is right now is draw the 2 names using random.org, and I'll be right back.
Okay guys, so on that video we had 486 entries, as you can see here, and I sort them by the first one being number 1 and the newest one being the last one. So 486 comments or entries. When I go to random.org, I put in 1 to 486 and it drew number 486. I've never seen that, and I think the last couple times, I think one time I got number 1, which was awesome. So, and I thought 486, I'm like, oh yeah, that's how many are in there. So number 486 is Bonnie, and she got in there just in time. Hi Vianney, enter me please. If I'm lucky, my choice would be 1, then 2. Love your videos. Haven't been able to watch as often as I used to, but your videos have put a smile on my face while dealing with some health issues. Oh, thank you for the tape runner tip. I would have used it wrong. LOL hugs. Thank you so much, Bonnie, and I hope you're feeling much better. So you just won prize package number 1, since that was your first choice. And then we have our second drawing is number 208, and that happens to be Cheryl Caro, or Cheryl Caro, I'm not sure. It says, enter me, love to watch you, and since Cheryl didn't rank them, then she gets number 2. Either way, number 1 was already taken, so you have the tropical set there. Alright guys, let's get back to updates.
Okay, so congrats to the winners. Yeah, so just make sure to email me in the email in the description box within 48 hours, preferably, so I can get your prizes out and we can get that going. Yeah, you guys, and there were so many entries, I feel bad. I was like, oh, I wish I can give something else away right now, but I already, closed out that video, so I will have more giveaways, which you guys already know are coming up, so keep an eye out for that. But today is a very busy day, so I've already released a video for Tonic for the new Santa's Workshop color trend. Really pretty papers, of course, you know how Tonic does, so they have all these embellishments and all these fun, great things. Basically, it's like the basics of what you would want to build off of, right? So you bring in your dies and stuff like that and make your cards or projects. So hopefully you guys have checked that out. It is like not even 5 o'clock in the morning yet, because I woke up very early for some reason. It was like 3:45 and I went to sleep like close to 11 because I was watching Craft Day videos last night, the presentation. So I am like kind of just on fumes, I guess. I feel like I was rested, but anyway, see, I'm already rambling, which I do anyway, but this is, yeah. So what I'm going to do is probably take a little nap in a little while, but I have some other videos ready for you guys, and so please let me know what you've been picking up for Craft Day. I already have some sense of that, but I know some of you guys have let me know what you're picking up and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I would love to hear about that, because I like to know. And then I'll have links also for the things that I picked up, along with the items that I've been reviewing. I still have a video later today. Actually, I have several videos. That's what I'm telling you. It's a busy day. Oh, there go my sprinklers. They're kind of loud. It's because I have some windows open. I have some LDRS creative videos with the toy store, or I think they're calling it toy store, bundle with the Pocket Pals and the little houses like they did with the chalets. So hopefully you'll check that out later. I am also reviewing that same video, the other slimline die that they had sent in for a review. I have some diamond press videos, so I'm just gonna sprinkle them in throughout the day, and hopefully you guys will have a chance to watch those. And yeah, just have a great day. I know it's too much good stuff, you guys, this time around especially. So Christmas in July, I love it. Yeah, and then the sign up ended yesterday for the laminated notebook, traveler's notebook, and maybe I should show you guys that right now, the list. Let me grab that. That way that'll be in this video too. I'll be right back. Before I get the names, yeah, the $5 cart is back with HSN, which is really great. I wish we had known ahead of time they were going to be doing that, but it's what it is, so I'm happy to have it. But yeah, so $5 cart. Very good. Very good. All right, guys, let me grab that book. Yeah, usually these are the kinds of things I maybe talk about like in a live video or something. I know. It's too busy. We're not going to have a live today, but I would have loved to. Well, we'll see. You never know. Never say never. Okay, so this is the list, and I will just let it focus on the names, and if you see your name, you know. And of course, if I responded to your email, that's also another indicator that I have your name on here. Oh, and then I grabbed my penks and out. Diana had to drop out, so I will. So hopefully you guys can see that. And if your name is not on here and you think it should be, like I responded with the email, I'm sorry, let me know, and I will add you. Alright guys, I'm super looking forward to some of you guys already have yours back in the mail, or in the mail, not back in the mail, in the mail, out, so that's really great. You have until the 17th, which is Saturday, to send it in, so please do so. And yeah guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you all in just a little bit. Alright, bye now.